Hi everyone, I'm back. Today I'm going to talk numerical data types. The first data type is a byte. The range of byte is minus minus 128 to 127. The storage size is 8-bit signed. And the second one data type is short. The range of short is minus 32768 to 32767, and the storage size is 16-bit signed. The next one is int. This means like integer, and the range of it is this one. And the storage size is 32-bit signed. And the next one is long. The range is this one. And the storage size is 64-bit signed. And the float is negative. It has a negative range. It's like this one. And it also has a positive range. It's this one. And the storage size is 32-bit IEEE 754, and the double the last data type is double, and the negative range is this one, and the positive range is this one, and the storage size is 64-bit IEEE 754. And we need to reading the numbers from the keyboard. We can use the scanner input equal to new scanner system in, and to enter the value. This is value is like you can create it like named it as anything, and this one is the data types for this, and it is equal to input point the next int, and the method for next byte is to raise the integer of the byte type, and the next short is raise an integer of the short type. Next int raise an integer of the int types. Next long raise an integer of the long type. Next float raise a number of the float type. Next double raise a number of the double type. Reading input from the console. At the first, we need to create a scanner object that is scanner input equal to new scanner system in, and then we need to use the method next double to obtain a double value. For example, we can use like a system point out print to enter a double value, and then we can scanner input the new scanner in system in, and we can name the double D, and the data type is double. It is equal to input next double. For the identifier, the identifier is a sequence of the characters that consist of letters, digits, underscores, and dollar sign. An identifier must start with a letter, an underscore, or a dollar sign. It cannot start with a digit. An identifier cannot be a reserved word. See Appendix A Java keywords for a list of reserved words, and the identifier cannot be true, false, or null, and an identifier can be of any length. The variables. First step, we can compute the first area. for example, radius equal to 1 and the area equals radius multiplied by radius multiplied by pi. And then we can get output that use system point out point printing. The area is it is a string plus the area and plus the string for radius and plus radius. And then we can compute the second area, radius equal to 2.0, and this is also formula of to calculate the circle, and then we can get the output from this one. For int x, it to declare x to be an integer variables. Double radius is mean radius to be a double variable, and the character a is declared to be a character variables. Assignment statement. X equal to 1 is mean assign 1 to x, and the radius equal to 1 is mean assign 1.0 to radius, and the a small a equal to capital A is mean to assign capital A to small a. And the decline initialize in one step, we can use int x equal to 1, double d equal to 1.4. And this is some content about how to declining the initialize in one step, also about assignment statement, declaring variables, identifier, and also about reading the input from the console and reading numbers from the keyboard, and we also explain the numerical data types.